Mining operations at the site with massive machines are one of the most impressive and powerful scenes, demonstrating the advancement of technology and the ability of humans to exploit natural resources. When you step into a large mining site, the first thing you'll notice is the enormous scale of the area. Massive machines such as excavators, haul trucks, and cutting equipment are arranged everywhere. Each piece of machinery is of enormous size, with many devices as tall as multi-story buildings and lengths that can reach dozens of meters. The giant haul trucks have the capacity to carry hundreds of tons of rock, soil, or ore in a single trip. The massive machines at the mining site are equipped with the most advanced technologies, optimizing performance and ensuring the safety of the operators. Excavators can dig and transport large amounts of material in a short period of time. Modern drilling machines have the capability to drill deep into the earth quickly and precisely. Automation and remote control technologies are also widely implemented, helping to minimize risks for workers. Although mining activities bring significant economic benefits, they also cause numerous negative environmental impacts. Resource extraction can alter natural landscapes, affect ecosystems, and impact water sources. However, many mining companies today are focusing on sustainable solutions. They invest in waste treatment technologies, water recycling, and environmental restoration after mining. Extracted areas are rehabilitated and reforested, allowing nature to recover. Mining operations at the site with massive machines are an indispensable part of the resource extraction industry. The combination of scale, advanced technology, and sustainable solutions is crucial for the mining industry to develop sustainably and be environmentally friendly. Managing and operating these machines requires not only high skills, but also a strategic vision to ensure a balance between economic development and environmental protection.